The next topic is string operators. In this we have to study three operators. One is concatenation operator, one is replication operator, and the third one is membership operator. So basically the plus operator creates a new string by joining the two operand strings, that is known as concatenation. So if we work in the script mode and we write two strings, one is hello and we put plus operator, that is the concatenation operator, and we write world. So the output will be hello world. The two strings will be joined and they will appear in the output without any space. So this is the concatenation operator. Now if we write any number in the quotes, then the numbers will also be treated as string. So let's say I write 1 and I write plus, and then in double quotes I write 2. So the output will be 1, 2, that is 12 in quotes. But if I write 1 plus 2, then the output will be 3. So if we are writing 1 in quotes and 2 in quotes, so 1 and 2 are treated as string. So if we are applying the plus operator, then that will be the concatenation operator and 1 and 2 will be concatenated. But if we are writing 1 plus 2, then they will be treated as numbers. So it will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now another important thing that you need to know about plus operator is that original strings are not modified, as strings are immutable. New string can be created, but the strings cannot be modified. So this hello world that we are getting, this is a new string that we are getting. The actual strings hello and world, they cannot be modified. The next operator is the replication operator. The asterisk sign is used for representing this replication operator, and when used with numbers, when both the operands are numbers, so it performs multiplication and returns the product of the two numbers. But when we use a replication or asterisk operator with strings, then we need two types of operands, a string and a number. So let us see this practically. Suppose I write in double quotes go, exclamation mark, and I write asterisk 3. So in this case, go exclamation mark will be printed 3 times without any space. But if I write 3 asterisk 2, so in this case what will happen? The product of 3 and 2 will come. So this asterisk operator, it acts differently in case of string as well as in case of numbers. One more thing to note is that if you are writing in double quotes 1 plus 2, then it will give you the concatenation of string. But if you are writing numbers in quotes and you are putting the asterisk operator in between these two, then you will get an error. So this is not a valid operation in Python. You cannot multiply two strings like this. For a string to work with this, we have to write a string and asterisk, and then the number of times the string has to be repeated. That is why it is known as replication operator. Next is the membership operators. There are two membership operators for strings. In fact, for all the sequence types. So there are in and not in. Two types of operators are there, and in it returns true if a character or a substring exists in the given string and false otherwise, and not in, it is the opposite of in. So it returns true if a character or a substring does not exist in the given string and false otherwise. Let's say I write str is equal to, in quotes, here. Now if I type a character that is already there in the string with in operator, so I will get result true. So if I write print a in here, then I will get true. Why? Because A is present in the string that I have given. But if I write any other alphabet that is not present in this string, let's say B, so in this case I will get the output as false because the string is not present in HEYA, the string that I have given in str. And not in is just the opposite of this. If I write print A, not in the given string, so in this case what will be the answer? The answer will be false. Why? Because A is present in the string, so it is the opposite. A not in here, so this will be false because A is there in the string, so it will be false. And if I write any other character that is not present in the string and I write not in, then it will be true because B is not present in the given string. HEYA is the string in which B is not present. So if it is not present and we are writing not in, so in this case it will be true.